Tuck, tuck, done. Are you there? You subscribe yet? You subscribe yet? Welcome from my studio Iacopelli. How are you today? Thank you so much for taking the time and watching this video. Today I'm going to show you something very interesting that you're gonna like this. Let's go directly to what we're gonna do. Today I'm going to show you the differences between the bricks versus the metal plate to cook the pizza. So let's start to say that we preheat the oven with the stone and the steel in the oven for about 2 hours now. Let's measure it. The bricks are 235. The steel is about the same. So, who's gonna win this competition? The steel plate or the bricks? Let's go see it. So guys, we're gonna make the pizzas both together. Check out how I made this dough in my video. Gonna dump it. We're gonna make the pizzas together. We're gonna make the pizza the same way, exactly. This way we don't get messed up. A bit of flour, boom. Let's see. We're gonna go by one to stretch, one by one. Of course, I'm gonna make just the classic cheese pizza. Take off the flour, boom. Just gonna put the tomato sauce. So guys, because we are cooking at low temperature at the house, we have to pre-cook the dough. Okay, and like I said, we're gonna make it together. Ready? Vai! Voila! Boom! Tuck, tuck, done. Set up one, the same side exactly. Now, let's go in the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven. 1 second, I'm gonna open it. And we're gonna place one on the steel and one on the bricks. Are you ready? Voila! We're gonna pre-cook the dough and then we're gonna see the differences together here for the first time. Leave a like. So we're gonna give a little touch, see how it cooks the bottom of the pizza. This is the first cook. Let's call it skip on the right side is the stone. Actually, this one with this little thing is the one on the steel. So let's remember. Let's go down there and let's see together. Okay, there we go, guys. This one with this little thing is the steel and this one is the bricks. Let's go check out the bottom first. Not bad. Almost the same. So now we're gonna put the cheese and we're gonna finish to cook. Of course, guys, I'm gonna put just a little bit of cheese because I mean, this is just for the video purposes. I cannot eat 2 pizzas by myself. Gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the crust, both of them. There we go. To make the crust a little bit colorful. And now a little bit of the mozzarella, a little bit of olive oil on the cheese, on the pizza, and we can go back and finish the cooking. Of course, we are cooking at the max temperature of the regular home oven. So now we're gonna place the same thing. This one goes on the steel. Also, we are looking the timing, and we're gonna place in the same spot, and we're gonna see. Let's go back and let's wait a couple of minutes. Okay, we will notice when it's ready, when the mozzarella bubbles. So we have to check out really good which one will cook faster. Probably it's gonna cook both at the same time, but the bottom definitely is gonna be different. Can't wait to check it out with you. I just noticed that the one on the stone is ready. I'm gonna take it out. And I believe even the other one is ready too. Yes. Maybe a little bit more this side. Just a couple more seconds. Okay guys, ooh, nice. It's ready. Let's go at the light. Let's go down there and see better what's the difference. Voila guys, I'm not gonna put any base oil or anything like that because this is just for the video to see the cook. This one was cooked on the steel and this one was cooked in the stone. The most important thing here, because the top of course is the same, because the oven was in the same oven at the same time, exactly. The thing is now we have to check out the bottom. Let's check it out. Bricks and the steel. There we go. Definitely the steel looks a little bit more crunchy and a little bit more crisp, and the bricks it's a little bit less. So remember that we put together the bricks and the steel at the same time. We warm up at the same time, so 2 hours where they were inside the oven. So I noticed that the steel went up in temperature more quick than the bricks. But the difference now here, I have to say that the steel cook much better the pizza compared to the bricks, because like you can see here, we can tell. I mean, you can tell that the pizza is it's cooked better with the steel, and you see here it's cooked on the bricks, but not the best. But what can I say, guys? Of course, I'm gonna eat. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at the next video.